mental health day. Let's do our makeup. See, doing my makeup makes me feel a little better, so I should probably do it more often. We're gonna use eye tint today because we're in a rush. Girl. I don't have time to show y'all products. What am I doing? It's actually pretty. We're gonna do a baby wing today because I just can't. So. Absolutely still using a stick liner because it's the easiest. Let's see if we can replicate. Oh my god, okay. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay. Eyelash time. Not eyelash time. I need to do my powder first. Tee-hee. Oh my gosh. Oh, tee-hee. If you know, you know. Okay, pink powder today. Pink. Oh, make it better, hopefully. Not too much. Okay, I look like a ghost. I'm sorry, but this makeup needs to last for most of the day, so thanks. Thank you. Okay. Now eyelashes. I look crazy. Definitely feeling better though. Kinda. Okay, I have to do my mascara literally off camera because it takes me like 5 minutes to do it. This has so many cuts in it already. I epically failed the challenge, but still leaving in a lot of realistic stuff for you guys that I normally cut out. Okay. Let's do some more. Let's do some more while we're running out of time. Yes. Gonna do some powder blush because the face is looking kind of pale right now. Okay. Yes. More color, please. And why not? Why not? I'm just gonna do some bronzer too. This is like as in depth as it'll go, honestly. So, okay, lip combo now. Actually, no, sorry, not lip combo. Need to spray one more time. Alrighty-roo. Oh my god. I'm still not gonna cut that out. Alright, using lip injection. Holy grail. Alright. And then I feel like I'm just gonna use my favorite lip gloss ever, Summer Fridays. Brown sugar. Brown sugar. Okay. That's it, guys. That's like as detailed as it'll go. I mean, yeah, detailed, in depth, whatever you want to call it. So, I'll probably make another video showing what I'm gonna wear for jewelry today because I don't know, this made me feel better, so maybe doing that will also make me feel even more better. Cool. See you there.